Hi everybody, I hope you're fantastic, you are doing great. Today I am here to tell you two things or two mistakes a lot of beginners do, especially students who are on the path of learning English. They make a lot of mistakes in this, or they do not know these two things which I am going to discuss here. The very first thing or the common thing you must know, that is grammar is not going to make you speak. Grammar is really important. It plays a vital role in our communication in terms of writing, in terms of making sentences, sentence structures. You should know grammar really very well. But some students I have seen in my offline classes, what they do is they keep making sentences. वो केवल sentence बनाते रहते हैं. 15, 20, 20 sentences they are making and they are not like speaking them. वो बोलते नहीं हैं, बस sentences बनाते रहते हैं. By doing so, होता क्या है? Somewhere वो theory उनके mind में है, but they do not know the practical. So practical is important. The first thing which you should always keep in your mind, and that is do not only focus on the grammar. आप प्लीज बोलने पर फोकस कीजिए. Start speaking. Wrong, right does not matter. Start speaking. That is what can make you speak only. ठीक है? Side by side, I'm not saying that don't learn grammar. Keep learning it. हमेशा वर्क करिए ग्रामर पर. सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाते हैं, व्हाट इज पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर, मॉडल्स, एवरीथिंग यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ. बट केवल सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं आप, यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक यू स्पीक. Remember that thing. Second mistake a lot of beginners do, that is they do not know Hindi. Seriously, they do not know even Hindi. They know Hindi, but they do not have any idea about the topic, that what to speak. क्या बोलें, उनके पास कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है. अगर उनके पास, if they do not have even idea in Hindi, how can they speak on the topic, on that topic in English? That is not possible. For example, I have a pen here. So, for example, I have to speak about this pen. So I would be like, okay, this is a black pen, and this pen I purchased from the market nearby. The pen I purchased around 1 month before. This is working really well. The grip of this pen is really nice, and it's really working great. The writing is also very beautiful whenever I write. So this is really great, and it looks good also. The color of this pen is also so nice. I have idea about this pen. मेरे पास idea है, that is why I'm speaking on this. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कैसे बोलना है. मेरे पास हिंदी में idea है, then only I am able to speak on this in English. अगर आपको पता है नहीं, अगर मैं for example I give you a topic which you do not know about. I give you a topic, for example, genetics engineering. What is it? कभी आपने शायद जो बिगिनर से नहीं सुना होगा, जेनेटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, एंड आई से कि बोलो इस पे, यू आर लाइक जेनेटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग इज ब्लैंक, बिकॉज हिंदी में ही नहीं पता. दैट इज व्हाट हैपन्स. तो आपके पास आइडिया होना चाहिए कि जिस पर हम बोल रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर स्पीकिंग ऑन द मोबाइल, यू आर स्पीकिंग ऑन दिस ग्लास, यू शुड हैव प्रॉपर आइडियाज, कंटेंट, शब्द, सेंटेंसेस की बोलना क्या है. देन ओनली यू कैन स्पीक इन English. Yes. So two things I have told you. First, focus more on speaking, and the second, have some ideas. Now you might be thinking, so how we will get those ideas? कैसे? तो you should read novels. You should watch good videos, nice podcasts. Watch my videos will be helpful. A lot of things you can do to gain ideas. और जब आप अकेले होते हैं, keep speaking on like topics, छोटे topics पर आप बोल सकते हैं. That will also help you. Thank you very much. I hope this is going to help you. See you in the next video. Have a great day.